Man killed by remote control helicopter in New York City Park, CBS News. KBSNews.com, CBS Evening News, CBS This Morning, 48 hours, 60 minutes, Sunday morning, Face the Nation. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Health. Money Watch. C-Tech. Crime. Sports. More. Blogs The Feed Battleground The WH. Webshow 60 Overtime Face-to-Face. Resources Mobile Radio Local. Login. Join KBSNews.com. Sign in with profile. Manage my newsletter subscriptions. Update my email address. Change my password. Log out. CBS/app/September 5th, 2013, 9:41 p.m. Man killed by remote control helicopter in New York City Park. A photo of Roman Pierzett Jr., who died in September 5, 2013, after a remote control helicopter he was operating in New York City struck his head. WCBS. Updated 9:40 p.m. at New York. A teenage remote control helicopter enthusiast flying one in a park in Thursday was struck in the head by it and killed. Roman Pierzett Jr., 19, was pronounced dead at a Brooklyn park near a busy parkway, and initial reports suggested he was killed by the helicopter's blade, police said. CBS station WCBS New York reported that Pazorek suffered from a severed neck when the chopper blade somehow struck him. The accident occurred in Calvert Vaux Park, where operating remote control helicopters is allowed in designated areas. A club for hobbyists, the Sevier Rotary Wings Helicopter Club, flies its aircraft from a field there. Pierzett's father, Roman Pierzett, is a vice president of the club. He and other club members didn't return messages seeking comment Thursday. Police said they didn't suspect any criminal act was involved in the teenager's death. They didn't immediately release the model and make of the helicopter he was flying. In a YouTube video posted in July by someone named Roman Pierzett Jr., a T-Rex 700 NFC is shown flying around at high speeds in lateral and vertical jolts. That particular make is on the larger side of remote control helicopters, said Rich Hansen, spokesman for the Muncie, based Academy of Model Aeronautics, a membership group of hobbyists. Hansen said the helicopter has an almost 4.5-foot wingspan and can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour but is used primarily for tricky, acrobatic maneuvers. Flying a RC helicopter is one of the more difficult aircraft to operate, he said. There are really two common reasons one might go out: pilot error or equipment failure. Pierzett's death, Hansen said, likely is only the second ever caused by a remote control helicopter in the United States. He said some years ago an instructor in Texas was killed by a remote control helicopter after the student he was teaching lost control of it. Copyright 2013 CBS Interactive Incorporated. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed. The Associated Press contributed to this report. Popular on KBSNews.com. Minister says he caught angel on video. Minister from Charleston, Virginia, says he caught evidence of an angel in his neighborhood in cameras set up to catch criminals. Watch, sinkhole swallows large trees in seconds. A large sinkhole in a southern Louisiana swamp was caught on tape swallowing a group of trees. Man killed by remote control helicopter in New York City Park. Afghan vets reunited in New York with 8 battlefield dogs. Daughter, televangelist Scullard has cancer. U.S. Open Top Shots, week to 39 photos. Chinese tennis star Li Na builds in a career of firsts. Cause of huge Yosemite wildfire determined. Arizona woman in death row could be freed to await retrial. Katie Beers, kidnapping allowed me to escape abuse. 33 comments add a comment. Lincoln report Economican Funchi says, this is not a comment about the beheading but rather of the folks who make comments. These forums are so attractive to the snarky people who wait in the wings to demonstrate how